And in today's video, I'm going to be breaking down how you can start building passive income in your life with $0 today. Now, we've all probably heard of passive income. We know the beauty of making money on the beach, living a very lavish life without having to work hard. If that's your goal, if that's your dream, and if you want to get started building passive income in your life, this is the video for you. So don't go anywhere. Let's go get it. So guys, if we have not yet met, first off, I just want to welcome you to the YouTube channel. My name is Peter Roberts, and if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, that would mean so much. And if you find value, be sure to smash that thumbs up button. It truly goes a long way. Now, first off, I wanted to start this video off with explaining what passive income is. You've probably heard of it. You probably thought, hey, there's no way that I can start building passive income. It would be absolutely so amazing if I could build passive income in my life, but everything out there just seems really complicated. It takes a lot of cash. It takes a lot of money. It takes a lot of time. How am I going to build passive income in my life? Now, this is something that I'm currently building in my life. The dream of passive income is slowly becoming a reality. I want to teach you guys what I'm doing to build passive income in my life, as well as ways that you can start building passive income without any money to get started. So guys, the whole concept behind passive income is that it allows you to not have to trade your time for money. You don't have to go to a job to get paid because you've already put things and systems in place and ways that you're going to make money without trading your time for money. So that sounds very glamorous. Now it's time to break into how you can actually get started. This dream can really become a reality in your life, and I hope everyone can use this advice to start building passive income in their life. Now I want to break down one of the really fun ways that you can start earning passive income online in 2021. Now, this method has been around for quite some time, but I'm going to explain why this is passive income and how you can get started with $0 today. Now, this is selling things on Facebook Marketplace and eBay. Becoming a reseller or flipper is one of the best ways that you can start making money passively in 2021. Now, you might understand, or you might think, hey, I have to actually go out there and buy things. I have to list things. How is this passive income? Now, stick with me here because I'm going to explain. The beauty of this method and the method that I incorporate in my life and makes me some great money, and it will make you money as well, is that you can start selling things that you have in your house that you no longer use. These items have a sunk cost. They're just sitting there. They're not making you money. So why don't you list them on the internet and find a way to make money? Now, the great thing about this model, whether it's selling things on eBay or selling things on Facebook Marketplace, there's two ways that you can do it. The first is selling things that you have in your house that you want to just list on both platforms. Secondly is finding free items to source to make money on eBay or Facebook Marketplace. Now, the great strategy that I want to tell you guys today that you can start building passive income with no money is finding items on the free section of Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, and local Facebook groups that people are giving away. Now, what you're going to do is either grab these items, have them ship these items to you, and then what you're going to do is take pictures, get these things listed on Facebook, eBay, and start making money passively. Because once you have these things listed on there, once you take your pictures, and once you have the profile and everything that you need to logistically sell things on Facebook and eBay, guess what? You can start going about your day. You know exactly how much inventory you have on your store or platform, and if it sells, how much money you're going to make. So the beauty about this thing is you do a little bit of upfront work, but on the back end, you're going to make money passively because you can go about your day. You can go out there, go to the gym, pick up your kids from school, and do whatever you want and go live your life while eBay and Facebook has your inventory waiting to be sold, which means you're eventually going to get paid. So the first great way is to start selling and flipping things that you have for free or that you have at your house on Facebook and eBay. Now, the second best way that normal people like you and I can start making passive income in 2021 is through a platform called Medium. Let's say you're a very experienced blogger. You like getting into writing. You love writing articles, posts, and you want to start finding ways to monetize it. Now, this platform here, Medium, is probably one of the best ways for you to get started. Not only is it free to get started, but you can make some excellent money writing, posting things, and creating a blog on this platform. This platform allows you to get monetized, which I'll share with you guys in a second how much you can actually make on this platform. Now, what is absolutely incredible is that someone makes $30,000 a month writing on this platform, and so can you. Now, you might think this takes a lot of time, this takes a lot of experience. How am I going to do this? But anything that you're starting takes time, and it's going to allow you to put in the hours and work. But the truth is, once you get this stuff posted on Medium, like any other social media platform that monetizes you, you continue to get paid for your efforts. So the articles that you wrote 2 weeks ago, 5 months ago are still making you money, and you don't have to actually be involved or continue to edit or to write these articles because they are now posted on this platform. And I want to share with you guys exactly how you can get started on your journey making money on Medium. So the first thing that you want to do is go to medium.com and sign up to become a Medium paid partner. Now, Medium has two aspects. They have the readers and they have the writers. The readers pay a monthly subscription to listen or to read what the writers say, and the writers get paid for those who come to the platform and either sign up or continue to read their articles. So sign up for this profile. It's very simple. It's like creating a social media page. You go out there, create your bio, create your picture, add your context, and then start writing. Put in as much time as you can. Maybe you love writing on the weekends and you can write 2 to 3 hours a week. Go ahead and just start seeing it, start feeling it out, and start getting really good at writing on this platform. Now, one of the best ways that you can start making money on this platform is to publish your articles on this platform and get new people to sign up. Bring your friends, have it shared on social media, as well as if people come to the platform, they read your article, and in the next 30 days they sign up for the paid membership fee, then guess what? You get a bonus and part of their commission, and you have just made money off of posting articles on Medium. So if you love writing, if you're interested in blogging, and you want to start getting monetized to write content on the internet, go through Medium, an excellent way that you can start making money passively without any dollars to get started. Now, the third way that you can start making money passively is with your vehicle. Now, you might think, how can I make money with my car? My car just drains me. My car makes me pay money. What if you were able to make money with your vehicle? Now, I'm not talking Uber where you actually have to trade your time for money. I'm talking passively where you can transport yourself to the grocery store. You can go to maybe even work for Uber too as well and get paid double with this way to build passive income. And that is through advertising your vehicle. Now, there's a lot of different apps out there through Rapify as well as Sticker Ride, which I'm going to be breaking down in a second, how you can start making money with your vehicle. The whole concept of this model is to basically get advertisements wrapped onto your car, and then you can basically live your life, get paid to travel, get paid to go to work, get paid to go to the grocery store, get paid to go to the gym. And it sounds very glamorous, but if you're willing to take that risk of, hey, people are going to look at it, people are going to say, hey, this is a different vehicle, and more importantly, if you're eager and hungry to make passive income, this is an absolute great way for you to do it. So let's break down exactly what you need to get started. So what you're going to want to do is go to the App Store and sign up or download the app Sticker Ride. This is the platform that's going to pay you for making money passively. Download this app. It's very simple, and then you're going to register for a campaign. Once you're in this campaign, you're going to select which one really appeals to you, which one fits your demographics, and which one do you want on your car. So once you understand what campaign you're going to get, you're going to go ahead, go to the shop, they're going to clean you up, and they're going to go ahead and wrap your vehicle, and you're going to start making passive income with your car. So you might be wondering, how much am I actually going to get paid to advertise my vehicle when I drive? And it all depends on location. Basically, when you drive, you turn on the app tracks exactly how far you drove, where you drove, what type of car you have. These are all analytics that the app uses, the company uses to pay you a certain amount of money, and you're going to start making money basically traveling for free. And you can use this money to pay for gas, you can use this money to pay for your life, but more importantly, a great way to take advantage of your current situation and to make money passively in your life. And lastly, fourth is something that I'm focusing on in 2021. How can you start making money on social media? Now, everyone has a dream of becoming an influencer, making money off YouTube, and it could be a very big task to achieve. But what I want to say, guys, a simpler way that I want to break down in this video and a way that I'm making money is through TikTok. Now, first, I want to break down why it's so important to build an audience, how it gives you so much leverage in the future, and how you can start making passive income with $0. Now, these apps are free, which makes it, a great way to start up and start making money. Now, through the Creator Fund on TikTok, I was able to build a platform. Once you hit 10,000 subscribers or 10,000 followers on TikTok, you are now eligible to open up the account in the Creator Fund. The Creator Fund is going to pay you based on your analytics, your views, your likes, and you're going to start making money on TikTok. Now, for me, I'm making around $5 to $10 a day just on TikTok, posting 3 to 4 times a day on TikTok. But hey, this is passive income, and more importantly, I'm getting paid for the views of the videos that I posted, 2 weeks ago, 3 months ago. It's all making me income. Now, I know it's a little bit of income, but I'm thinking long term. TikTok could be a huge platform, and there's a lot of opportunity to make money in the future. So go ahead, try TikTok, see if you can start monetizing it and build this brand. And so many opportunities are going to be able to present itself if you're willing to build an audience and get people behind your brand and your mission on social. Now, secondly is through YouTube. You've probably heard there's a lot of requirements what you need to get started with, but more importantly, you need 1,000 subscribers and you need over 4,000 watch hours on your channel. But what I want to say, guys, is that it is very possible. You might be thinking, there's no way I'm able to build a YouTube channel. There's no way I'm able to build a TikTok account. And what I want to say is that if you believe in your mission, share your story, build this awareness, you can be like another creator. But more importantly, be like yourself on this platform, post consistently, have a schedule, and use this and treat this as an opportunity as a business. Now, with any business, in order to make money, it takes a lot of time, it takes effort, and it takes you being consistent. But if you want to make this a reality, if you want to build real real passive income in your life. It shouldn't be so easy, right? But more importantly, if you're able to achieve this, imagine the lifestyle that you're able to live. You're able to post a few videos on TikTok, you're able to post a few videos on YouTube a week, and now you're on your way to get paid through the advertisement dollars. Brands are going to be reaching out to you, and you can basically live a life and be who you are and get paid for it. This is absolutely incredible. So I hope in 2021 you take the initiative to get started. More importantly, if you need my help, if you want to hear how you can get started, feel free to hit me up. This is what this channel is for, to give you guys the inspiration to get started and to chase the things that you want to achieve in life. Living the life of having passive income has to be absolutely incredible. For me, I'm playing with a little bit of dollars with passive income, but for you, normal people like you and I, we don't need a lot of money to get started to build passive income in our life. We don't need to invest in the boring things like real estate, investment properties, REITs, dividend investing. All that stuff takes a lot of money to get started, but if you want to get started building passive income in your life, use this video as a resource. Use these concepts of social media, advertising your car, selling products on Facebook, and also going out there and doing whatever it takes to not have to trade your time for money. Passive income is honestly the #1 way for you to live a wealthy, very successful financial life. So go ahead and start building those roots, doing what you can do now, and you're going to be on your way to being very happy in your future and glad that you spent the time now putting the work in, so in the future you can reap the benefits, you can reap the rewards, and you're going to live that life fulfilled by passive income. So guys, if you've made it this far and you've not yet commented, liked, or even subscribed to this channel, that would literally mean so much. Be sure to check out my TikTok and hit me up if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. I'm literally here for you guys, and I hope to share my message with you, and I hope that I can help move a few people to start changing their life together. So guys, thank you so much. It literally means so much to me that you guys are here. I love you as always. I'll see you tomorrow in the next video. Have an amazing rest of your day. Take care. Peace out.